Rev up your driving experience with our expertly curated selection of the top 6 car FM transmitters. Whether you're seeking seamless connectivity or superior sound quality on the road, we've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate choices. Stay tuned as we unveil the best FM transmitter options that cater to various needs and preferences. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. KEBIDUMEI Q7M Transmitter. The perfect fusion of innovation and convenience. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, dual display digital tube display, and support for USB 3.1 EF fast charge and PD fast charge, this device is a game changer. But wait, there's more. Not only does it support voice assistant functions, but it also has a one-key soft shutdown and any key boot, making it incredibly user-friendly. Need some mood lighting? The Q7 offers an atmosphere of light, adding a touch of ambiance to your car. Worried about your car's battery? Fear not. The Q7 includes battery voltage detection and an automatic power-off memory function, ensuring your car stays powered and ready. And here's the best part: the Q7 supports FM transmission technology, U-disc playback, and TF card music playback. It's compatible with various music format files like WMAM3, WAV, and FLAC, providing a full spectrum of audio possibilities. The Bluetooth features are outstanding too, supporting a 2DP AVR, CPHFP, and HSP. Experience crystal clear Bluetooth hands-free calling and stereo music with DSP technology. Upgrade your driving experience with the KEBIDUMEI Q7 Car FM transmitter. Enhance your journey with seamless connectivity and top-notch technology. Get yours today. Number 5. JaJaBor T16 FM Transmitter. Say goodbye to driving with just one hand. With one-touch, hands-free calling, experience the simplicity of operation and safety at your fingertips. With wireless 5.1 smart chip technology, revel in the immersive car stereo sound, ensuring a reliable and loss-free audio experience. Never worry about a low battery again. The T16 supports PD30W fast charging, providing a 3x faster charging speed. Get up to 60% charge in just 30 minutes. Stay informed and in control with real-time battery voltage monitoring, ensuring a clear view of your battery status at all times. Maximize convenience with the double USB interface, allowing you to connect 2 mobile phones simultaneously for both business and personal use. Enjoy high-quality, lossless audio with the support for a UX input. Simply plug and play for an enhanced audio experience. Never miss a beat. The T16 automatically reconnects and resumes playing where you left off, making your drive more enjoyable. Experience the future of driving with the JaJaBor T16 Car FM transmitter. Get yours today and drive safer, smarter, and more connected. Number 4. CUTESLIVING Car FM Transmitter. First up, its big LED display screen offers a wider visual interface, providing all the essential information you need while on the road: incoming phone numbers, track names, FM frequency, battery voltage, and even the Bluetooth connected device. It's all right there at a glance. But it's not just about display, it's about performance too. The BD&M FM Car Bluetooth transmitter boasts a stronger microphone, enhancing sound reception and quality for crystal clear hands-free calls. And when it comes to music, this device is a true maestro. Stream your favorite tunes directly from your phone via Bluetooth, microSD card, or aux out, allowing for seamless switching between treble and bass mode. Not to mention, the color spectrum syncs with your music for an immersive experience. Need a quick charge on the go? No worries. This transmitter comes with a Q3.0 charging port, delivering high-speed charging for both you and your passengers. Say goodbye to long charging times. Moreover, you can keep your focus on the road by utilizing Siri or Google Assistant for calls, texts, or navigation. CUTESLIVING's FM Car Bluetooth transmitter brings voice services right into your car. Upgrade your driving experience with the CUTESLIVING Car Bluetooth FM transmitter. Drive smarter, drive safer, and drive happier. Number 3. Baseus Car FM Transmitter. Your all-in-one solution for seamless connectivity and maximum convenience on the road. Compatible with all phone and car models, this innovative gadget is designed for 12V 24V vehicles and works effortlessly with your favorite app. Experience accelerated charging and uninterrupted music with the Baseus wireless MP3 charger and car holder. It's more than just a charger, it's your music companion on the go. With lossless decoding, this device ensures impeccable sound quality, supporting various audio formats such as M3, WAV-FLA, CAPE, and WMA. Equipped with 3 ports, including USB and Type-C interfaces, it supports quick charging technologies like SCPF, CPPP, SPP 3.0, Q3.0, QCOI 4.0, MTKPE+, and more. Enjoy a 360-degree stereo surround experience with Bluetooth 5.0, providing seamless and delay-free music streaming. Plus, smart voltage detection ensures safer driving. No hassle, no installation needed. Simply plug in your flash disk or TF card and play your favorite tunes instantly. Stay connected with one-touch, hands-free calls and enjoy clear communication with the built-in microphone. With lengthened anti-skid shrapnel, this device stays secure on any road. Never miss a beat. Connect 2 devices simultaneously for a dynamic and uninterrupted audio experience. It automatically switches to the incoming call, ensuring you never miss an important conversation. Experience the ultimate driving companion. Get your Baseus car FM transmitter today and redefine your journey on the road. Number 2. LENCENT EP1 FM transmitter. With cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this device offers a faster, more stable connection for streaming music, ensuring seamless connectivity every time you drive. But that's not all. The LENCENT FM transmitter features independent volume, bass, and treble control, allowing you to fine-tune your music to perfection. Experience audiophile-grade sound with the hi-fi treble and bass adjustments, elevating your music to a whole new level. Charge your devices on the go with the PD30W fast charging. With dual USB ports, power up 2 devices simultaneously. Need a quick charge? The USB-C PD port can charge your iPhone from 0 to 85% in just 30 minutes or power your MacBook Air M2 2022 at full speed. Stay connected safely with hands-free calling. The built-in microphone, equipped with noise cancellation technology, enables clear voice collection. Answer, redial, or reject calls with a press of a button. And that's not all. Get voice notifications from your navigation apps, making your driving experience smarter and safer. With a 1.38-inch rotatable LED screen, easily access information like phone calls, FM channels, and even your car's battery voltage. The 180 rotatable design offers an adjustable viewing angle, ensuring easy access and hands-free convenience. Experience convenience, safety, and unparalleled sound quality on the road with the LENCENT MT1 Car FM transmitter. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 1. JOYROOM GR-Key 17 FN transmitter. Ultimate solution for seamless connectivity and crystal clear audio while on the road. Tired of muffled calls and subpar sound quality while driving? Say hello to enhanced dual mic technology by JOYROOM. The dual mics capture your voice from all angles, while the CVC 8.0 blocks out road and wind noise, ensuring a clear conversation for both you and the caller. But that's not all. The JRCL17 is your on-the-go charging companion. Equipped with a 48 double UPD Type-C and QC 3.0 USB port, it charges your devices faster than 99% of Bluetooth car adapters out there. Upgrade to seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster pairing and a stable connection with minimal sound quality loss. Pairing takes just a second, and you'll never have to repair after the initial setup. It's compatible with almost every smartphone and Bluetooth-enabled device. Experience an audio revolution. With the B button, enjoy hi-fi deep bass and immersive stereo sound for a musical experience like never before. Whether through a UX or USB stick connection, transform your car into a concert hall with CD-like sound quality. Worried about safety? Rest assured. The JRCL17 is certified with CEFCC and RoHS standards, offering multiple protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. Fit for 1224V car cigarette lighters. Connect and enjoy your drive with the best sound,